First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 175 Celsius for our international friends. While the oven is getting toasty, grease a large baking dish and set it aside. Next, heat a generous 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet. Let's introduce some flavor to this party by sautéing finely chopped onion, diced red and green bell peppers, and minced garlic. Give these about 5 to 7 minutes until they're soft and translucent. Now you need 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Cook these beauties until they're a delightful pink and opaque, which should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, set them aside to rest. In the same pan, pour in a cup of heavy cream, stirring in 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 2 cloves garlic minced, and a ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper for that spicy kick. Allow this to simmer and thicken slightly over 2 to 3 minutes, then season with salt and pepper to taste. In your prepared baking dish, unite the 2 cups cooked rice, sautéed vegetables, and shrimp. Pour the Cajun cream sauce over this mixture, stirring to marry all the flavors together. As if it couldn't get any better, sprinkle a cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top of this heavenly concoction. Place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a bubbly casserole with a melted, slightly golden cheese topping. Just before serving, garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.